Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to move your Cardano, ADA, from Binance to your Coinbase wallet in 2025, you're in the right place. With crypto evolving fast, I'll walk you through the latest steps to make this process smooth and secure. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this guide will help you avoid common pitfalls and get your funds transferred quickly. First things first, let's get started on Binance. Open your Binance app or website and log in with your credentials. Make sure your account is verified and you have ADA in your Spot wallet. Once logged in, head to the Wallet section, then select Spot Wallet or Fiat and Spot, depending on the interface updates for 2025. Next, find and click on Withdraw. This will bring up a list of cryptocurrencies. Search for Cardano or ADA and select it. Now, here's a crucial step. Enter your Coinbase wallet address. To get this, open your Coinbase app, go to your ADA wallet, and copy the receiving address. Double-check that it's for the Cardano network to prevent any errors, as using the wrong network could lead to lost funds. Enter the amount of ADA you want to withdraw, keeping in mind any minimum limits or fees that Binance might charge in 2025. These can vary, so check them first. Review all the details carefully, including the network. It should be Cardano's native network, and hit Confirm. You'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication for security. After confirmation, sit tight. The transaction might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to your Coinbase wallet app and refresh to see your ADA arrive. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Just check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like CardanoScan. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Always verify addresses to avoid scams, be aware of withdrawal fees which could eat into your amount, and never share your private keys. With crypto regulations tightening in 2025, ensure you're compliant with any KYC requirements on both platforms. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Cardano from Binance to Coinbase wallet. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.